Hello बच्चे लोग. Once again your Dipti Nani is back with a new story for you, and today I am going to tell you story of Lord Ganesha. You must be knowing the mother of Lord Ganesha is Parvati Devi and the father of Ganesha is Lord Shiva. Once upon a time Devi Parvati was having bath. When she was having bath, suddenly Lord Shiva came there and she was really embarrassed to see Lord Shiva, and she started thinking that she must have her privacy when she is having her bath. When she was thinking this, her friend suggested that she must have any person at the gate to see that the privacy of Devi Parvati is maintained when she is taking bath. Devi Parvati was really happy with this idea, and with the dirt and the fragrance of her body, she created one idol of a child. And after chanting all the mantras and shlokas, Devi Parvati brought life into that child. And that child always used to take care of Devi Parvati's privacy when she was taking bath. One day, when she was taking bath, she told the child to be present at the gate and not to allow anybody when she was taking bath. And this child said, "Yes, mother, I'll follow your instructions." After some time came Lord Shiva, and he said, "Come on, child, let me go inside." But the child stood in the middle and he said, "You cannot go inside because my mother, Devi Parvati, is having her bath." Lord Shiva was surprised because he was not aware of this child, and he requested him. He shouted at him, but this child did not allow him to go inside. And as a result, Lord Shiva was very angry and he cut the head of this child. After some time, Devi Parvati came and she was very sorry to see this head of her child on the ground. She started crying and weeping and moaning, and then she became so furious and angry that she said that I'll destruct the whole of universe. All the gods were worried and they requested Lord Shiva to do something for this. And Lord Shiva told Devi Parvati that he did not know about this child and he will get head back on this child, but he cannot get the original head placed on the child. Lord Shiva searched for the head, but he couldn't find anywhere. So he asked his Ganas, those who were serving him, to look for the head and bring head of whoever meets first when they move. When they started moving, they met a devil named Gajasur. He was coming towards Kailas, and he had a body of a devil, of a demon, but his head was of an elephant, and he used to trouble all the gods. So the Ganas, they cut the head of this Gajasur and they brought it to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva took this head and with all his mighty powers, he placed this head on the body of that child. Devi Parvati was very unhappy to see her child with this head of an elephant, and she said to Lord Shiva, "What have you done? Everybody will laugh at my child, and my child having the head of an elephant." And Lord Shiva said, "Okay, See, I cannot get the original head, but one thing I can do is that I'll make him the head of Ganesh, and not only that, I give him a blessing that people will worship him and he will be known as Lord Ganesha, and people will worship him before any auspicious occasion like any puja, wedding, engagement, or any such occasion. And he will be called as Vignaharta. That means the Lord who takes away the difficulties. Sukhakarta. That is the Lord who gives happiness and joy. Hearing this, Devi Parvati was very happy, and that day onwards, Lord Ganesha came into existence. And we pray Lord Ganesha whenever there is any auspicious occasion, and not only that, during the 10 days we bring the idol of Lord Ganesha and worship him 10 days in a year, which are special days of Lord Ganesha. I am sure you must have liked the story. Do share, like and subscribe if you have not, and do tell the story to your friends, parents and grandparents. And do remember to press the notification icon, so as soon as I come you get the notification. And bye till I come with a new story. Love you.